Hi, I'm Abby with Heavyweight Yoga. Yoga I created over a decade ago for people affected by obesity or people with lack of range of motion for whatever reason. Today I'd like to talk to you about the sound of Om. Featured on the TV show Mad Men, it's the last word we hear from the major character, Don Draper. New at chanting, Om sounds pretty flat the way he represents it, when in fact Om is very complex and is made up by four distinct different sounds. Ah, O, and the sound of silence. You can find Om on your face as you gently hold the high neck and cheekbone for the ah. O is a little higher at the low cheek. Oh. Comes across the nose and the high cheekbone. You'll feel all three of those vibrations. The final sound is the sound of silence, which is here, represented at the third eye. Not to be overlooked, the sound of silence is the renewal for the next breath. The sound of Om, O-M. It's a great way to start your meditation. I like to chant Om 3 times before I meditate. It sounds something like this. I chant Om 3 times before my meditation. It helps to center me, bring me to the present moment. It also is a great signal for my dog Tess. Come here, Tess. It lets her know that we all have to be still. It's time to be still. Come here. Yeah. I hope you'll give Om a try and find the richness of Om. Ah, O, the sound of all sounds. I honor the light within you. Jabakwan. Good girl. Wave, wave. There you go. Wave.